Hi guys, it's me Jimmy. So the question is that should I use Cat 5e or Cat 6 cable? It doesn't matter whatever cable you use, unless you are using the cable which cannot support the internet speed you are using. Basically you are using the cable which can support the maximum basically, and then you are using the cable which is about the maximum the cable can support. Let me give you a quick intro to the Cat cable. Cat stands for category. Cat 1 cable which was only for voice over IP, basically we never use for internet. Cat 2 4 megabits per second. Cat 3 10 megabits per second. Cat 4 16 megabits per second. Cat 5 100 megabits per second. Most of the cable are Cat 5 cable. And then Cat 5e 1 gigabits per second. Cat 5 and 5e are the most popular cable you can find in small offices, home, wherever you want. Cat 6 basically is for 10 gigabits per second. 10 gigabits per second, who the hell wanna use a cat? Basically cat 6 cable. Remember, Cat 6 cable will never take a while. We will use fiber optics. Fiber optics much faster. We can send much further. Basically Cat 5e and Cat 6 is a twisted pair cable. It have only the maximum distance is 100 meter. If I'm not wrong, 100 meter the maximum distance. Do you know the fiber optic can go up to in a single mode fiber SMF 40 kilometer, and then a multi-mode fiber MMF 2 kilometer, compared to the Cat 5 or Cat 6e cable only basically up to 100 meter. Basically just go with a Cat 5e. Cat 5e already can support 1 gigabits per second, and then of course you are not going to use 10 gigabits. Even we couldn't get a connection for the internet server IP provider basically for the 10 gigabits. Just go with a Cat 5e. It is easy to find, easy to install. It will be much cheaper. Do not go with a fancy the sales guy trying to sell you stupid Cat 6 cable. Just do not buy it. Basically I will say, go with the Cat 5e cable. Is a good cable. I really love Cat 5e cable. It's sport. Cat 5 is a really solid, robust cable. Go with a twister pair. Go with unshielded twister pair what is called unshielded twister pair UTP. If you wanna go with the STP, basically the cables are the same. One will having some aluminum foil wrapped around the cable, which will help you to reduce the interfere with the for example with the fluorescent light, the lamp. If we are going to run the cable where it's a lot of high light and your cable will be exposed to the light, then go with the shielded twister pair with the aluminum foil. It will basically it will help you to reduce the EMI, basically electromagnet interfere. It will help you. So if you are just throw the cable under the carpet and then just go with a unshielded twister pair, UTP cable. There are two kind of cable even in Cat 5e. One is UTP, one is STP. STP is it's expensive due to the aluminum foil, which help you reduce the the interfere with the radio frequency. It's up to you. Basically I will say we are running the cable openly on the wall where we will a lot of light exposed to it. Go with the shield twister pair. If not, go with unshielded twister pair. I hope this answered the question. Basically Cat 6, a lot of haters are going to hate me. Who the hell cares? Cat 6 will never take off. Never will take off. I know what the hell I'm saying. I'm a CompTIA Network Plus technician, so it means I'm a network technician. I'm not a network engineer. I'm a network technician. As a CompTIA Network Plus certified, I know what the hell I'm saying. Just go with the Cat 5. It will be cheaper, much better all around. Subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.